variable which indicates how long our array is. So in Kotlin we write val, give, for example, some variable name, very understandable for us, and pass into here the size of an array, -1. Oops, I'm sorry. Okay. The logic behind this is that we're going to take the first element and place it in the end, and the last element will place in the place of the first element. Then we will take the second element and place it instead of the pre-last element, and the pre-last element will go into the place of the second element. So for this we will need to go only until the half of the array, and then we're gonna be done. So we will interchange the two parts of array. This part will go in the end reversed, and this part will go in the beginning also reversed. So we're going to use the for loop, and we will start from 0 until the half of the array. We're going to take our variable array len and divide it into 2. So the logic behind this is very simple. We will take the first element and exchange it with the last element. To exchange the two elements between each other, we need also a temp variable. So let's create it. Var temp assign 0. 0. So now we will going to assign the value of the first element to the temp variable. For this we write temp assign. To address the first element of the array, we going to type in the name of the array, and in the square brackets we will type I. And now in the we will place the value of the last element into the first place. So let's type the last element. Let's type the first element, and we're going to assign we assign to it the value of the last element. The last element will be the array with index of array len -i. Why do we use -i here? Because the position of the last element will change with each iteration. First iteration will be 0 here, the second iteration will be 1, and we will take the last element as array length -1. So we will take this element, and this third iteration will be array length -3. We'll take this element, and so on and so forth. And the last step, we're going to assign the first element to the last. Let's take the last element, array len, len -i, and assign to it the value of the first element. The first element is located right here in the temp variable now. So we will type temp, and for now this is it. we only need to see the result in println function. Let's print the function and print on the name of our array. We will use the function content to string. Content to string. Okay. Array of, I'm sorry, array of, okay, for is not an expression, it's only expression allowed here in tags. Okay, I forgot to type in the in here, so this in is defines in which range of numbers we will work. Okay, it's just a typo. And result ref and print ln. Oops. Print line. Okay. Okay, and we have our reversed rate here. To check if it works for sure, we can type in, for example, 5 elements and push run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it works. And we can also type 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And check if it works. Okay, it works fine. So this is it for the lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.